With due respect to our dynamic school in charge, Mr. Arturo P. Gonzaga, PTA and LGU officials, Barangay Captain of Barangay Kabayugan, Honorable Juanita T. Karahay, parents, friends, my fellow graduates, and of course to our members of Fermin Piabas National High School, a pleasant day to all of you. On behalf of class 2021-2022, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the persons behind the success. 2 years ago, COVID-19 affected our lives, especially in the way we learn. We used to adopt the new learning modality, which is the modular distance learning. And that was one of our biggest challenges in life as students. It is my pleasure to stand and speak behind this podium, to have an exceptional chance to share my insights, express gratitude, and of course, speak on behalf of you, my fellow graduates. Our journey in senior high school was like a roller coaster ride. Not just because we have ups and downs, but because of the plot twists we have experienced through the years. I know sometimes we failed, we cried, and thought of giving up. But here we are today, we have surpassed all the stormy days. We say, dili nako, but our action does, laban ka. We fight for our dreams, and that's what I am proud of. Our resilience. We always consider our failures as building block towards forming a better version of ourselves. Someone says, "Sayong ranain." If you think that life for me must have been easy, that I do not crack when there's a lot of activities to do, that I do not worry about difficult subjects, then you are all wrong. Pressure has been my greatest enemy, but it is important for my personal and educational growth. I even sometimes spend the night crying because I do not know how to balance my responsibilities and tasks. As we are going to close our journey in senior high school, let us not forget to acknowledge those persons behind this memorable day. First, I would like to thank God for giving us enough strength to survive steadily. I know that it is hard. Thank you, Lord, for the courage and guidance through dark and good times. Without you, we are nothing here today. Thank you for blessing me with what I have today, and I owe a lot to you. Second, to my ever-supporting parents, thank you for selflessly giving me the support I need, financially and emotionally. To Mama Rosaline and Papa Renante, thank you for staying by my side all the times. To my mama, who knows me so well, and to my father, who supported me all the way. Thank you so much for reminding me to take a rest whenever I am bombarded with different tasks and responsibilities. You always reminded me to take things slowly by slowly. Every time I sleep late at night, you always told me, "Pahuway, pahuman lagi na, sali." Thank you so much for letting me enjoy my teenage life, but of course, with limitation. And you know what I mean. To all my family, thank you so much for your undying support. And to all the parents out there, thank you so much for your sacrifices. Without you, we are nothing here today. Then, I would like to thank our ever-patient mentors of Fermin Piabas National High School. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, because without you, we are nothing here. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge to us. My 6 years here in Fermin worth it. I have enjoyed my high school life because of you. My sincere gratitude for trusting me to become a good leader here in our school, to participate in different contests, district, congressional, and even division level. Thank you so much because rain or shine, you have traveled the highlands and made modular distance learning not only possible but a life-changing way of learning. Thank you for molding us into better individuals. Continue to inspire young people, and we owe a lot to you. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. My heart is filled with happiness seeing the whole class in here. I would like to congratulate you for reaching this life's milestone. Being here today is such a great honor because it is a stepping stone towards our future. I know that as we study during this pandemic has never been easy. We have a lot of personal problems, but we fight for our dreams. Some of us might say, "Gikapoy nako, dili na lang ko padayon." But luckily, we have succeeded. Salute to some of you who choose to work while studying. I know it is not easy for you, but you have made it. Hats off! The whole class is here. Congratulations! To my fellow classmates, the whole class is here, and I would like to congratulate because the whole class is exceedingly resilient and greatly determined. Good luck to our next journey, and kita-kita po po. And lastly, to my ever-dear circle of friends, the choppers of Secret Squad, the fourth tabot of the Brand Squad, the Kaibulakanis family, and to all my classes, thank you so much because you have been the source of my laughter when stress and strikes me. Thank you for the trustworthy experiences we've been together. Thank you for your genuine smile, backing me up through dark and good times. Kita-kita ka na pohon. See you around, my dear friends. And to all the persons behind this meaningful journey, you are all the reasons why I graduate with flying colors. Thank you so much. And to my fellow graduates, always remember that God is with us. Have faith and good luck. Once again, a pleasant day to each and every one. May the sweet force be with us all, and God bless us.
Thank you so much, Miss Renalyn, for that very moving words of gratitude. And once again,